Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. In case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out together. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. This is GainX 1200. On 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So this particular asset actually got to the support zone around here, and right from there it started an uptrend, and of course, if you remember, I gave us some signals on these, and of course it's actually got to this resistance zone. That is why I said the trend trading strategy is still the best. Okay, so you can see gave us an uptrend signal right from here, and it has been buying since then. Broke out from the last resistance zone to buy more, and of course it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. However, it is still buying at the moment. So guys, next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 had been on downtrend for a while, just where we have seen it. But right now it's trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, so this is going to buy more. It won't, most especially when it breaks out from here. Okay, so it's going to buy more, and we expect it to get to this region. Probably I will be giving more detailed signal on this within the Telegram channel, because this is showing more positive uptrend at the moment. Okay, so we expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. This is PayNext 1200. I also said something about this particular asset in the video I posted in the morning. I said it has been on uptrend, and it's most likely for it to buy more, and as you can see, it has been buying since then. It has even given us more uh, profits within this uptrend within the last few hours. Okay, so this is more of a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, we should expect a pullback or a downtrend right from here. I gave out the signal on PayNext 999 in the morning in the Telegram channel. I also use it to do video in the morning, and all the TPs were achieved. Okay, so you can check the Telegram channel if you missed out on the signals. Okay, TP 1, 2, 3, 4 have been achieved. In short, all the TPs given had been achieved. This is so amazing. Okay, it got to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, and of course, right now it's trying to go back on downtrend. Okay, we don't know if it's going to break out from this particular section. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to go into a downtrend fully. Okay, so this is going to be more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This had been on uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there. As you can see, it gave us a downtrend signal, and of course a sell signal around there, and this has been selling since then. Okay, so this is still more of a downtrend at the moment, so it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, and of course, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.